Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech Deep. So in this video we are going to do the unboxing of something special. Yes, in this video we are going to do the unboxing of BMW UV Protection Wayfarer sunglasses. Yes, you might be wondering whether it is the official BMW. Yes, it is official BMW sunglasses, and I bought it from Flipkart for discounted price, but the actual price of these sunglasses cost you around 25,000 Indian rupees. So it's actually a costly sunglass that I'd say, and the color that I bought is gray color. So let's do the unboxing. So I have got my scissors, so let's open the box. So it's actually very tightly packed, as you guys can see. So finally I have opened the box. So let's see what are there in the box. So here is a bill. Let me put it aside. And inside the box we get a cardboard box. And what's this? Yeah, this is eco-sustainable packaging by Flipkart. Yeah, that's nice. Let's keep it to the side. And here is the box itself. So let's open it and see. So here there is another box, and let me zoom it. So here it's mentioned imported by NN Opticals, and the MRP quoted here is 24,156 rupees. And here it's mentioned the BMW logo and the BMW word mark are trademarks of BMWAG and are used under license. So this is an official product. I think I am the first to do the unboxing in India. I have not seen anyone doing unboxing of this product before. So let's open it and see. So here it's the official box. So much of dust. So here you guys can see the official BMW logo. Let me zoom it. Yeah, this is the official BMW logo, and let me unbox it. So here we can see another box inside this box. So this box actually looks premium. So this here also we can see the BMW official logo, and actually it looks superb. This box is just awesome, I would say. So I think we have to open it like this. So let's open it. So wow, the box is actually superb, I would say. And inside the box we first get a cleaning cloth and the sunglass itself. I think, yeah, there is nothing else. And this is the box. So this is the sunglass, and here you guys can see the MRP is 24,000 and the model number is B6522. So let's open it and see. So here is the sunglass. So actually guys, it looks so much premium, as you guys can see. And yeah, here is the BMW logo. So it's actually an official product from BMW, and the glass just looks awesome for the price of 25,000, I would say. And if we come to the detailed specifications, the lens color used is gray, as you guys can see, and the features of this glass include UV protection, and the frame material used here is acetate, and this can be used for both men and women. And the material of this sunglass is actually polycarbonate. And that's it guys. This is available in black and white color also. So this glass is just awesome, I would say. Let me show it to you. So this is actually gray sunglass, and the material is actually superb. I think it would last for so many years. And you guys can see the logo of BMW. This is an official product from them, and yeah, this just looks awesome. and I am actually proud that I am the first to unbox this in the world. Actually, I am the first to unbox from India. I have seen another man doing this unboxing of this specs, and I am the second one to unbox it in YouTube. So I am proud enough to do the unboxing of this specs. So yeah, guys, I think you like this video. So let's also open the cleaning cloth that we get with the specs. So actually this is not a cleaning cloth, this is actually a case to put your specs. And yeah, this is also a branded one, as you guys can see. BMW logo is there. So overall I think this glass is worth the money for of 20,000 or 15,000 if you get it for low price. Or I think this is just awesome for the price, and yeah, it's a branded thing, so you can't complain anything. It is just awesome specs that you guys can get. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, please give me a like, and also comment below what feature did you like about this specs. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe this channel and tap the bell notification for more videos. Thank you, and let's see you in our next video. Bye.